we are not actually taking the responsibility to develop the national arena. First, we have to develop our society.
Yeah.
As a student, they are getting very tough to read something in English and then try to understand in their language, as we are not actually acquiring that language from our early
Exactly.
childhood.
You are right. You are, but yes,
It,
yes, you are right.
it is
But we have
for the
to.
researcher in life.
Yeah. But we have to develop such a mechanism. Those local researchers doing research in their own language, that should be converted in different languages. That should be
Yes.
looking into matter. That should be promoted. That should be promoted. After completion of the research in local language, that should be transformed in the different languages. Clear? That kind of mechanism should be developed. Okay,
Yes,
thank you.
sir.
Good suggestion.
You should take the initiative, sir.
Okay, okay. I will see. Okay, okay. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Hello, hello, hello.
Yes, sir. Are you asking?
Yeah, I am asking because the coordinator is not disconnected with us, no? Now, which branch you are belong? Which branch? Which discipline? Which disciplines you are belong? Which discipline you are belong?
Okay.
Yes,
I think
from English literature. English literature and
yes,
English
yes.
language.
Oh, English literature and language.
Abu sir, I think that you have made a question on English, and therefore everyone enjoyed your question, understanding your question. If you made the same question in a particular state language, even from our India, I am showing you the example. Our Radhakrishnan sir is there. Sir is using, say, the Malayalam, okay, or Tamil or Telugu from area. Asking you one question, can you, sir, answer it? It isn't pure the truth. We have to accept. Before coming the regional sentiment, language sentiment, we have to develop answers. My point of view I am sharing. And in India, how many numbers of the languages and how many numbers of the communities are there? And it is better to go with at least for research. Directly, if we can focus on research rather than the language. Yes, we need one language for communication purpose. And those who research scholars are not able to go through, say, pronunciation of English or one language, then we can help them. As Professor already Nayak told us, I think that we can be agree with them and we can develop one common forum for all. Common forum for all, and there should be one common language to be communicated with each other. To be communicated with each other. In such case, I think that it will be helpful to whole world. Now you are communicating in English and it is prepared for us. Otherwise, we need one converter who will make language change to another. So I think I am just sharing my own feelings only.
No, it is very fine that we will communicate in a single language, but for the local researcher, they should have facilitated with their own language.
Yes, I'm agree.
Yeah.
It is the individual local scholars' responsibility to facilitate their young researcher to allow them to research their.
It is one of the best suggestion. Yes, it is one of the best suggestion because for the local research scholar, we have to help them. Like that, Abu sir, whenever you are getting something in your local language, you can translate it to English or you can make it say audible and visual sense to others. So we particularly, we can help, and it is one of the best suggestion. I am really agree with you. That is, we have to help the research scholar, we have to help the local researcher, because one is doing cultivation. I have found such kind of person who is doing only cultivation. He is not understanding any research methodology design, but he is working for patent with me, the patent with me. So I am just telling you, he was giving me some medicines, local medicines, and his name, his work will be given by us. We will help them, but we need one common forum, that is one common language, so that we can at least communicate with each other. Otherwise, 1,000 languages that with everyone, it's difficult. But it is very good suggestion from you, and we are really thanking you for your suggestion that the local researchers should get.
Yes, the true spirit of research is to develop the society.
Yeah,
Yes.
exactly.
That is why the society members should be knowledge and to
Exactly.
Thank you.
You are right.
Thank you, sir. And it is really a valuable discussion. And I think that we will help our scholars to use one international platform. So we will go with another shot, and also need to focus in the regional language well. Okay, Ravindra RM, yes, the need more personal commitment resource due to the limited funding. Yes, it is one issue. I think Ravindra RM, you are all, most of the researchers are facing problem. Before starting the session also, myself and Sadananda sir, the Professor Sadananda sir, we are discussing regarding the funding. Regarding the funding for the research scholars, yes, if they are not getting the funding, then research scholar will face the problem. And whenever you are doing in local language, they are facing the problem. And yes, next question, sir, I missed presentation, my favorite speaker. Okay, Irfan Banka, I think that was late and he missed some of your presentation. And Nayak sir, he said that you were the favorite speaker. And so I think that I will,
yes. Nice, thank you.
I will unmute in Irfan Banka so that he can express his feelings. Yes, Irfan Banka, I am unmuting you. Okay, I think, yes, just give me 1 minute only. Yes, I think Banka, we welcome you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Actually, I missed this presentation. I was, very much, pleased to, talk to him, sir, actually. Actually, I want to discuss with him. Sir, are you listening me, sir?
Yeah, exactly. I am. You are audible. I am listening. No problem.
Yes, sir. Actually, we are having, you might have heard about Tosa Maidan, which is a place in Jammu and Kashmir.
Yeah.
In Kashmir region, it's a place where it was occupied by army, Indian army, for drilling purpose for last 60 years. And what we did, some activists being in the field, we campaigned for the SAM so that the people there, which are actually the tribals, they will get their rights on the forests, which were, the trees were cut there, so that then they got the rights. Actually, the army was, told, they were directed to leave the place and shift somewhere else for drilling purposes, because because of the unburst shells, about 70 people were killed there. Now, I want to have research on that, because that is not documented anywhere in a good form. I want to have research over this issue. I mean, the research, anthropological research. I'm basically an engineer from engineering background, and I have resigned from government services. Right now, I'm pursuing a PhD in anthropology. So I have shifted towards anthropology. So in social anthropology, I want to have this research. I don't have idea how I can do, whether I should go for case study or how I can develop the hypothesis for this. Because this whole has not been documented anywhere. Neither the research has been conducted on the people who have suffered there, whose lives have suffered there actually.
You take the interview of all the people, those who have already suffered and staying, they will explain. And somehow, I think, government documents are available. You sort the government documents, collect the government